Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. I will try my level best to deliver all the messages, whatever messages I am receiving for you. So let's start your reading, but this is your general love reading for the month of July 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius. Take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Gender is not specific here and I don't read reversals. So now let's start your reading and let's see what are the important messages for my beautiful magical beings Aquarius all over the world. But before starting your reading, I'm going to tell you messages which I received while doing the meditation here. Okay. So the first message, the first energy which I was receiving here was Eight of Wands. Okay. There is a lot of communication which is coming towards you, Aquarius. Someone from your past. This is someone who is your soulmate or this is your twin flame. Okay, this is your divine counterpart. Okay, this is a soul connection. Basically there is someone with whom you are having a soul connection with, and with that person, this person is going to communicate with you. Lot of communication is coming towards you. Okay, so the first message was this, and the second message was this is the Queen of Cups. Okay, you love someone, Aquarius. You are having lot of love for someone here. Okay, right now you are in the energy of Queen of Cups. Right now you are intuitive, you are in your emotions, you are feeling your emotions. Okay, you are having lot of love for someone here. This is your lover, Aquarius. This is the love, okay, with whom you are dealing with. Okay, 1 minute. So this is your lovers here. Lovers was there from my 3 decks here. This is the love of your life. Okay, the lovers was here. Okay, can you see how beautiful it is? 03332, sorry, was the recording reading time. Maybe you can see number synchronicities of 333. Okay, and this can be your twin flame, I told you, or you are already married with this person, or this is someone from your past. Okay, the Six of Cups energy is here. Okay, Six of Cups and Four of Wands both are here. 1111 card, this is twin flame card and this is the soulmate card. So someone is here who is your either soulmate or a twin flame, or you are already married with this person here. So this is someone from your past here. Now this person is closing out a cycle here, Aquarius. They're gaining the strength to approach you, basically. Okay, they're gaining the strength here. They're making a decision and they're gaining the strength to approach you. Okay, they're gaining the strength here. Why? Because they're deciding here with the Two of Wands. Two of Wands energy was also here. They are making a decision, basically. They're making a decision, and for making this decision they are requiring the strength. Okay, so they are making a decision and they're gaining the strength here to approach you, basically, because this person is closing out a cycle here with the Ten of Wands and Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords was also there. Okay, so Ten of Wands and Ten of Swords is here. So that was the energy which I received here. And this person is someone who left you out in cold in the past. Five of Pentacles. Okay, but now this person wants to give you new hopes, new desires. Okay, and one more energy which I was receiving here was Six of Swords. Okay, you will come towards the calmer waters here, Aquarius. Okay, Six of Swords energy was also here. Okay, you will come towards the calmer waters. Now let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages. Let's see. But Eight of Wands, communication is coming towards you, Aquarius. That is for sure. Someone from your past. Now let's see what are the messages. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver for my Aquarius for the month of July 2021. Okay, let's start. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages. What are the messages? Please give me the messages. You are waiting for this person to come in your life here. Can you see 3 of Wands? You are waiting for this person. Let's start. What are the messages? Please give me the messages. Okay. The first message for you is Knight of Pentacles. So they're coming towards you, Aquarius, here. Can you see? They're coming towards you here. But you have to keep your temperance, your patience. They're coming towards you, but at a very slow pace, because this is the slowest energy in the tarot deck. So they are coming towards you, Aquarius, but at a very slow pace. Knight of Pentacles, and here I'm having Queen of Cups. So you love this person a lot and they are coming here, but right now you have to keep your temperance, your patience. This is a connection where the angels, the divine, are working here. Okay, please give me the messages. Okay, 4 of Cups, 4 of Cups and 2 of Cups. Okay, let me see more. What are the messages? The Tower. The Tower was also there while doing the meditation. Also, I was receiving the energy of Tower. There are big drastic changes which are going to happen in your life, Aquarius. Okay, let me see more. What are the messages? Please give me the messages. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Lovers here again. I told you they're going through with some kind of 10 of Swords and 10 of Wands energy. They're completing a cycle. They're going through with the ending here. Or you are going through with an ending. You're completing a cycle. You are closing out a cycle, because there is no 11 of Swords here. Maybe you can see lot of 10-10 these days. The number synchronicities of 10-10. That can be a possibility here. King of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles. So this person can be someone who is financially happy, abundant. What are the messages? Please give me the messages. What are the messages? See, I told you, this is someone from your past. What are the messages? Okay. So there is Page of Cups here. Not Page of Cups. Yeah, I told you there is a Page of Cups. Here I'm having Wheel of Fortune. Then there is Ace of Cups. They want to offer you emotional fulfillment. Okay, but they're keeping an eye on you. Page of Swords. They're keeping an eye on you, that what my Aquarius are doing. And this is someone from your past. 6 of Cups. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Magician and the King of Cups and the 10 of Cups. Okay, so this person is also doing the manifestation. See, I told you, this is someone who is your divine counterpart. King of Cups and the Queen of Cups. This person also loves you and they see a family with you. They are doing the manifestation. And can you see 2 of Wands? They are doing the manifestation. They're doing it. They're taking the decision to come towards you, Aquarius. Okay, they're gaining it. Can you see? The Lovers is here again. So they're gaining the confidence here to approach you basically. They're doing the manifestation here because they want to create happy family, happy life with you. Okay, 10 of Cups, happy family, happy life with you. Maybe this person is someone who is financially stable, grounded, who knows how to manage their finances. But this is Tower. Okay, this is the divine intervention. Tower is not bad at all. This I always tell in my readings, that Tower is always beautiful, Aquarius. When you have to make the necessary changes here, okay, and you do not make that changes in your life, then divine has to intervene in your situation, and so that you can make that changes in your life. Okay, so here this person is coming towards you, Aquarius. Okay, they want to offer you Ace of Cups here. Right now they see Ace of Swords. 2 aces in your reading. You will get the clarity. You will get the clarity. Okay, right now you have to keep the patience here, Aquarius. They want to create abundance of everything with you. 10 of Pentacle is abundance of everything. They're keeping an eye on you here. You will get the clarity here, Aquarius. Any other message for Aquarius? Any other message for Aquarius? Wow. The Hermit. So they are doing the soul searching here, okay? They're doing the soul searching about what they want basically, and they will take a leap of faith in and move in a forward direction. The Fool is here, Aquarius, okay? They will take a leap of faith because right now they may be having a confusion here. They are not clear in their own thoughts, but they're coming towards you, Aquarius, and because they see you as someone who is an Empress. Can you see? They will take a leap of faith with you and move in a forward direction, and that's the energy which they see you basically. They see you as an Empress. They see you as an Empress. They see you as someone who is very motherly, caring, nurturing. See, I told you, maybe right now they are having confusions, okay? They're not having any clarity, but they are going to have clarity, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 6 of Wands. They will get success in getting the clarity because Ace of Swords is here, and even you will also get the clarity if you are having confusions, okay? See, Death and Rebirth and 6 of Wands. So this is very beautiful energy here. Any other message? I told you, 6 of Swords energy. You will come towards the calmer waters, Aquarius. There will be an equal amount of give and take. See, okay. In the extended, I'm going to clarify these cards, okay? 6 of Swords and the Empress, okay? So you will come towards the calmer waters. This is someone who knows your value now, okay? Who knows, but they are keeping an eye on you, and they're gaining the strength towards you, Aquarius. They want to approach you. They want to give you something which is solid, which is stable. Maybe they want to give you commitment, but they're taking the long period of time. They're taking long time because this is the slowest energy. And what you have to do is, right now you have to keep your temperance, okay? Because they are also closing out some cycles here. They want to offer you Ace of Cups, a cup which is full of emotions, but they're keeping an eye on you, and they see your worth. They're doing the soul searching. They see you as an Empress here, okay? You will come towards the calmer waters, Aquarius. Do not worry at all, okay? Let me see. In the extended, I'm going to see these cards, okay? Now let's see. And the cards which fall out, I'm going to show you now. See. It's Tower, Empress, and the Fool. Okay. Let me pick it out. 1333 was the recording reading time. See, these 3 cards just fall out. Okay. And in today's reading, what I was finding out, that energies are speaking very much, okay? There are a lot of messages. There are a lot of card flipping out, very easily, I can say that, because there is beautiful message. See, again, these 4 cards just flip out from this deck, and which was Death, okay, which I told you, Death and Rebirth will take place here. And again, see, the Tower is here again. There is a Tower here, Aquarius, okay? This is a divine intervention which is going to happen in your life, and that's beautiful, okay? Things are going to change very much, okay? Changes are coming towards you. Change is coming here. Then there is Fool here. Can you see? The Fool is here. They're going to take a leap of faith here with you. The Fool is here, and they see you as an Empress. They see you as an Empress. That's beautiful. Here I'm having the Emperor and the Moon here. So they are having the confusion here, Aquarius, that is for sure. Now let me see more messages here, and I'm not going to take these cards back. Now let me start more messages. Any other message for Aquarius? Hierophant, Judgment. Any other message for this reading? Please give me any other message if there is. Wow, I just love it. Right now you have to keep your patience. Temperance, Aquarius. Same messages is here. Keep your patience here, Aquarius, because this is your divine counterpart here. The Emperor and the Empress both are here. They are closing out a cycle with the World card. Okay, this is the new happy beginnings which are coming towards you. The Sun is coming. That's the Judgment here. Either you are married with this person, Hierophant is here, or you want to get married with this person, or you are committed to this person for long period of time. Here there is a judgment which is going to happen in your life. Either this person is making a judgment, or the divine is making a judgment, and that's beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what is activating in your life. And this was the message which I was receiving in the meditation, communication and Markaba. Now let's see the messages. Okay, let's see what are the messages. Please give me the important messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Divine Masculine. Okay, the Divine Masculine is coming here. Let me adjust. And I'm sorry if you see any of the voices in the background, because there are a lot of kids who are playing in my home. They're playing. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages. So belief and emergence is the message for you. Okay, the message is belief and emergence. Okay, belief says the frequency of belief supports a sense of self-worth based on our gifts and talents and a strong connection to a source. So keep your belief, and belief is activating here in you, Aquarius, in the month of July. Then there is the frequency of emergence, invites us to approach our reality with a childlike attitude of innocence and wonderment, and to watch and celebrate the beauty that unfolds that place. Okay, this is the Fool kind of energy here. Okay, so this is the message which I am receiving here. Thank you. Let's see what is the message here from the Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck for Aquarius. Please give me the messages for Aquarius. What is the message for Aquarius? Release anything which you still holding on to, Aquarius. If you are still holding on to grief, you need to release as soon as possible. Okay, there is a release card which is here. So release anything which you are still holding on. Let go anything which don't serve your highest good. There is someone who is workaholic. Either you are workaholic or your partner is workaholic here. But someone is here who is a workaholic. Your prayers have been answered, Aquarius. And this is your soulmate, I told you. There is a soulmate which is coming for you. Either this is a soulmate, or for some of you this is a twin flame. Okay, but some of you this is your soulmate. Then there is impartiality and the perfection, which is the message which I'm receiving here for you. So these are the messages which I receive here from the Chakra Wisdom. Thank you for giving the message. Now let's add one message from the Yogic Path. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me one message. Ananta. This is your heart chakra. I told you, you are feeling your heart chakra, Aquarius. You are feeling the love. Your heart chakra has been opened, and which is here. Okay, this is the heart chakra. Your heart chakra and its chambers to new possibilities, and the light is coming through soothe its once dark corners. This love heals all and allows you to see all people for their greatest potential, including yourself. By putting down your armor, you are always truly able to use the intelligence of your heart, which will always guide you in the right direction. Trust the journey of heart. It may not always make sense to the mind, but it is aware of the possibilities the mind cannot yet envision. When you truly live a heart centered life, there is nothing left to fear. Meditate on the color green and practice heart opening yoga poses to aid the journey. So, you have to work on your heart chakra if you are not working, and those who are already working, the heart chakra is getting open up for you, Aquarius. Beautiful message. Thank you for giving the message. Let me add one message from the Whispers of Love. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me the message for Aquarius. July 2021. One message for Aquarius. Wow. Wow. True love. This love is once in lifetime. This is someone who is your soulmate. This is someone who is your true love. This is someone who is your divine counterpart, with whom you have spent many past lives together, Aquarius. Okay, maybe in this lifetime too, you have spent this life also with this person. This is your true love. This is beautiful reading. Wonderful reading, I can say that. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from Archangel. One message for Aquarius. Please give me one message. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Archangel Zadkiel. It is the time for transmutation. Carry the violet flame. Okay. Carry the violet flame. This is beautiful. Thank you, Archangel, for giving the messages. Now let me see what is the message from the angel. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Please give me the message. One message. Okay. Pray gratitude, Aquarius. Gratitude was also a message here, which I was receiving here. Okay, you have to pray for what you need, but be grateful for what you already have, what you already received in your life. Always have an attitude of gratitude. Say thank you to the universe, to the divine. There is look up, look forward, welcome new development for positive change. Beautiful. And there is Archangel Gabriel. Gabriel guides your creativity. You have to work on your creativity, Aquarius. Okay, and there is Archangel Gabriel, who is there to help you out in your creativity. This is beautiful. Thank you, Gabriel, Archangel Gabriel, for giving the beautiful message. Let me add one message from the Secret of Light. One message for Aquarius. What is the message you want me to deliver? Nothing has gone wrong. Number 7. Okay, you are exactly where you are. Okay, nothing has gone wrong. There is yin yang symbol in the between. Okay, if you're thinking, see, the perception card was here. If you're thinking that things have been gone wrong, now the things cannot be changed, blah 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 blah, so it is not like that. Okay, nothing has gone wrong. Okay, you are exactly where you have to be. Just see the picture from a different perspective. Change your perception. Okay, This is your divine counterpart. This is your twin flame. This is your soul mate. Okay. Now let me see what are the signs you may be dealing with, and then I'm going to close out this reading. What are the signs? What are the signs for this reading? Please give me the signs. What are the signs for this reading? Okay. What are the signs? Okay, so they can be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign here. You can be dealing with. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. There can be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or fire signs or water signs are here. Okay, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. They can be an earth sign, Taurus here. And they can be air sign, Gemini and Libra. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. So this was your reading, and I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. In the extended, I'm going to take these cards in a deeper level, so you can have a look on that video too. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and happiness to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. Till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.